What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, the Novice Lion, aka Dub. Today we're going to be doing the installation. I'm going to be installing these Dodge interior knob covers from American Brothers, and they are a Mopar licensed product. You can see that's why I kind of go with them. Now, obviously, these three right here are going to go on that center console where you have the tuning and climate control and all that. And these four right here and these two are going to go on the doorknobs. We're going to replace that silver, throw some red in there, splash of red. Should go really well with the red button that I installed already. And it should be really nice. You can see they're machine finished on the side here. And they, really give a nice look. These are Toro red, the color of most of Brembo pads or Brembo brakes. So yeah, that should be really dope. For this install, you're gonna need these black gloves. I'm gonna use these just because of the oils on my hands. I want these knobs here that go on the centers. I want them to stick. But before I do that, alcohol swabs. I got a set of pliers for the doorknob portion of it, and I got a towel, microfiber towel. Even though every bit of research that I've done said that you kind of damage those factory ones pretty good, and I'm not going to be putting them back on. And if I need to put them back on to try and sell the vehicle or something like that without the red, because they'll probably come with me, then I can just go get another set. And also this little screwdriver, I just got this out of just an eyeglass frame repair kit, and this should work well to get underneath these little eyelets right here and kind of peel that upper portion off to get the adhesive part to stick. This should be really cool. These are gonna look really cool. I appreciate you for joining me. Before we get started though, like I always say, please like, subscribe, comment, even share the videos. Trying to make the channel grow, trying to bring some good content to you. And I also got another installation that I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be going back into the center console port, not the center console portion, but back into the overall dash portion. And I'm gonna be installing something really cool. So you gotta stick with me to be able to see that. But let's get started. So before I go out there and start messing with everything, I'm just gonna prep the battlefield a little bit. As I said before, these are officially licensed by Mopar, so you can't go wrong with American Brothers. I'm going to put the links down low on all that stuff's gonna be there. I don't wanna scratch this up, so I'm just gonna go through the back part right here. I'll poke a little hole through it and get these out of there like so. As you can see, they're really nice portion to add to the interior. I'm not gonna lie, American Brothers has some really good products, but they are a bit expensive. And I will also put links to some less expensive alternatives. But I'm kind of like OCD as far as like matching products, so that's why I went with American Brothers. Again, these are really nice. And now let's get here. Let's get in here. As I was saying before, this little screwdriver here is going to come in handy. I'm going to be able to get all underneath here and lift this up when the time comes for me to do that. And of course, I'm going to use the alcohol swabs to get off of all of the previous oils that have been left on the knobs, just so I can give it a nice clean surface to stick to. And it should be golden. Check these out. These are beautiful. Here you go. All right, we outside now. Like I said before, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my gloves on. Just so I don't get any additional oils on these knobs. Of course, alcohol swabs. Just twisting that volume or turning that volume button, applying this alcohol to it. I'm gonna let that dry just so I can get a really good surface. All right, everything dried pretty quickly. It's alcohol, so it's not gonna take a terribly long time, but I'm just gonna throw these on there and give them a good press down. Once you press down on them, they don't just pop back off. So I'm gonna just take my time and make sure I get a good even press on them. Make sure they stick. So they're not just gonna plop off of there by accident. You actually have to use some force to get them off. And boom, there they go. My apologies for the sun if you can't really see it that well. I decided not to use the microfiber towel because I didn't know necessarily if it was working or not, but it seems to be working. And as you can see, these pliers are marking up this knob pretty good. So but it of course seems to be doing the job, so we'll cross that bridge when we come to it if I gotta replace them. So now I'm just going to take this little piece right here and I'm going to screw it in. There we go, caught the groove. Really easy. And now this is how the knob looked. You can see this little stuff right here. It's kind of coming out. It's a glue, a little adhesive that they put in there to make the doorknob stick. But you can see how marked up it is. Pretty bad. But as I said before, I'm not gonna be using it again, so really not worried about it. Another alcohol swab to clean off the surface right there. That'll dry up quick. And as you can see, it matches perfectly with those knobs right there. It's a good job. Throw this bad boy on here. Looks pretty good. Got thrown all off balance today. I was supposed to have been at the gym, but this is the finished product. This is how it looks. Dope. You see it go down, come up. Everything works fine. Over there. Got the red right here. The buttons. Of course, the paddle shift extenders that I put on them before. So yeah, everything came out good.